Gordy's doing great. He is off leash today, not away from home, but he stays with me, so good. I'm super happy about that. I've been here lots of times. I've just never been here when the waterfall was running. There was a cave-in too. This little waterfall here that's running right there. Ooh, let's go stick you Insta 360 down there a bit so we can try to see if I can shimmy down here without falling. I'll stay on this dry part. That's as far as you go. Don't fall, Gordy. Stay back, please. If I fall, I won't die, but it'll probably hurt a lot. I wasn't quite prepared for the amount of mud I encountered today. Was a lot. I didn't film on the way here. I figured I'd do it on the way back. I wanted to get the dog settled into being out on a leash. Here's another little teeny one. It's not really doing anything anymore. I painted this scene from right about here. Or maybe it was over here. I'll have to compare the painting to this vantage point. The painting is over my bed. Oh, look at the birds. Maybe we'll be lucky and we'll get a really big murmur. Oh, looked like a heart for a second. Oh, more waterfalls. And where's my dog? Oh, there you are. Good boy. Well, that one just kind of disappears into the blackberry bushes. We say it's going to rain again tonight. Yay. Sicily. We'll go for months with no rain, and then we'll just get it all at once. I still love it here. Dramatic. The place is full of people, and yet I'm here all alone. It's perfect. Okay, we'll sit on a little bench. I was kind of eager to check out the coastline. My drone died out around here. What you doing, Gordy? Fucking cigarette butts. Why? Why? Is this your personal ashtray? I mean, che stronzi. Hey. Gordy, boo-boo. Oh, he's ignoring me. Fine. So, look at the bay here. And you see how there's only just a little bit of brown water, tan water over there in that corner? But most of the bay is turquoise. And now, the water isn't clear today because there's a lot of agitation, even though there isn't very big waves. You could totally be out there. We can't see Etna. It's completely obscured by the clouds. Over there where the clouds are really bright, that's where Etna should be. Hopefully, we're getting lots of snow dumped on Etna, and we'll get to go skiing on Etna again this year. That was one of my favorite things I've ever done. Skiing on a volcano. Except the second time we went, we had to leave early because the volcano was erupting mildly and the air quality was very bad. Well, let's walk on a little further. I have walked all my dogs and some dogs that I have babysat here. I saw people in this house one time, maybe 6 or 7 years ago. I don't know. Unfortunately, a lot of dumping goes on in this area. At least if it's not still going on, it did in the past, and the accumulated mounds of mostly construction material can be quite hazardous and unfortunate because, I mean, people saw this as wasteland nobody wanted. Yeah, that's a big WTF from me. I mean, I get it, it's close to the cliff, and look at it all. Y'all want to go in there? I have been in there before. It's kind of freaky, but all right, we'll go in there. Hey, come on. Come this way. Come on, puppy dog. I need some water soon. I'm not gonna be able to talk. Oh, it's a nice blue glass. Oh, it's thick too. I should come back and get this. Tumble it up, make something nice from it. Look at that. Is that not something? Come on. Still part of the floor left, too. Not a bit of the roof in this one. Oh, honey, I'm sorry. I just kicked my poor doggy in the face. Oh no, you're getting attacked by the weeds. Whoop. What's going on there? Huh? Do you like exploring old ruined houses? Me too. I know it's weird, but it's fun. I can't push too hard on that wall. It's crumbled right under my hand. Come on, Gordon. This is like super dangerous. I'm not advising those people at home to go and do this. And it's actually going to get even worse. I did not bring a headlamp. So, yeah. Let's see what you can see. And oop, 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 oop. No, 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 no. Come on. Hey, you know what? I'm going to put you back on the leash, my big fella, because you've been good, but I don't want you to fall down a big hole. Come here. Come here. Come here. Stop. Stop. You almost stepped in that soggy cow pie. I want to give you a bath, but I'd like to do it without urgency. Okay. So, all right. Here we are. And I don't know how old ruined house. Let's go around this way to that other door. Okay, we're gonna go that way. Okay, let me get these down for you because these are pokey. Okay. Oh, we have one beam left in this room. Nope, nope, not that way. Not that way, we're going to the right. It's like I know where I'm going. I've been here before. This is a stairwell, but it has been filling in. And I am too chicken to go down there. My son went down there, but he didn't film it. Oops. Scratch on that lens. Maybe they just circle around and join up. I don't know. Good thing I got this camera. It can go in there for me. Okay. We have to go back out the way we came in. Okay, we can go on this way. Must have been a nice place a long time ago. Please don't step in that. Okay, let's go this way. And I don't have an explanation for this part. Maybe it has something to do with those weird stairs. The ones that I wouldn't go down into. They seem to go up under this structure, whatever it is. Can anyone explain this to me? Well, I mean, like, what is it? I have a hard time finding comfortable shoes. I have hallux limitus in my right foot. It's condition partially resulting from dancing on point and wearing high-heeled shoes for too many years. High-heeled shoes are evil. Gorgeous, but evil. No, I think somebody's there. Boo, I saw a car. We can't go in. Would be wooed. And scary if there is somebody in there. For everyone involved. We should put a battery in Droney and send her down to see the cliffs down where we live. Make sure I still have a rope. Oh, look at those olives. That is just full. I wonder if anybody's ever going to come pick them. Food for the birds. There's not a lot of trash on the other side of that fence. If there is, I'm sorry. I apologize on behalf of Sicily, my adopted homeland. Oh, hey, there's the dude again. Look, Gordy! Hi, boo-boo. Hello. You're not interested in me. He wants to be your friend. Came out here. All over the street. It wasn't pretty, so I wasn't inspired to film it. That sucks. What part do you think has gone out on that one that's making that awful squeaky noise? I know somebody that would like to know.
I don't just make videos about Sicily. I also make videos about Florida and aerial arts, but I do make a lot of other videos about Sicily. And if that's what you're interested in, be sure to check out my other videos on all over Sicily and other parts of Italy and Europe as well. Thanks for hanging out, and we'll see you around. Ciao.